Larger aftermarket wheels and wider tires are common causes of rubbing. Increasing wheel and tire size is a common modification for various vehicles for cosmetic and performance reasons. However, many components of the wheel well are fixed, including the fenders, body, and components such as springs, struts, steering linkage, and cross tires. Larger aftermarket wheels can cause rubbing, as can wider tires. Wheel spacers can give them more room to avoid rubbing. You can watch where the rubs occurred if you notice rubbing. When the vehicle is steered with wider tires installed, wheel spacers can easily solve big brake clearance issues. Typically, performance brake calipers are bigger than originally equipped ones. Larger brakes often require more space to fit. Thus, it is necessary to utilize wheel spacers or to upgrade to new aftermarket wheels. In this case, wheel spacers are the most cost-effective option to maximize wheel fitment easily. By moving the wheel outward from the caliper, they prevent the caliper from contacting the inner wheel spokes. The thicker the wheel spacers you installed, the farther the wheel is pushed out. So, it is also important to ensure your rims and tires don't rub against the inner wheel well. Besides, the benefit of the plus design of BONOSS lightweight plus wheel spacers mean that the hollow design is further optimized based on the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption, and improves handling while ensuring safety and reliability. Compared with the previous general product, the weight is reduced by 20%. The overall acceleration of the vehicle and the overall comfort of the handling performance is better, and the driving is safer. Which is the best choice? To sum up, wheel spacers are used to increase the space between the wheel and the wheel hub assembly, effectively pushing the wheel away from the vehicle body or suspension component. By doing so, they can help create additional clearance for larger tires or address issues where the wheel is rubbing against the vehicle fenders or suspension part.
If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.